Captain's log. Stardate, let's call it Wednesday. Released from public service, former President Quark decided to retake the mantle of righteousness, to serve as the people's perennial protector, to defend the galaxy with the vigor of a true hero. And the galaxy? Well, the galaxy has never been so boring.
This is just sad. He lost the election like 3 months ago. Don't you think it's time for an intervention?
I believe Captain Quark is having a difficult time adjusting to life in the private sector.
Computer, find me something to shoot!
Sorry, dude, we got none on the radar. Have an awesome day, though.
There's nothing to do on this ship. Does any of your uniform have any bad guys to shoot?
Pardon me, Captain. It appears there are, rogue cleaner bots in the docking bay. Would you like to...
Yes, I'm fine, Ratchet.
Good evening, Captain. Are you ready for the longest day of your pathetic life?
A shadowy supervillain. This is perfect! What do you think he wants? Money? No! Power! No! Money and power! Oh, who cares what he wants? We finally get to shoot something!
Trying to execute. So we get this ship and take you back this way for death. Oh, for crying out loud! As I was saying, I have deactivated 3 planetary defense centers in this sector, plunging each location into total chaos. Oh, splendid! Grungarian marauders have already begun attacking. I wonder who could have called them.
Was it me?
It was me, you dolt! Only you and your team are permitted to each location. If I even smell a single Polaris defense trooper, I will deactivate every station in the galaxy.
Who are you?
You look familiar to me. Have we met before?
Someone who doesn't like Captain Quark very much. Someone he failed.
I'm not sure, Jasmine. Something looks familiar to
You know what this calls for?
Don't say it.
I'll tell you what this calls for.
He's gonna say it.
The Q-Force!
He said it.
Hey!